Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody guys. Finally, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So for now, I would say that the weekly chart is most important chart for trading on the Bitcoin from the technical point of view. Because on the monthly chart, we have identified that it stands at the top overbought area, which is very important to us. So monthly overbought is very important level. It creates this really solid problems and barrier for upward continuation. But at the same time, performance still stands inside of the high wave pattern on December, and we do not see any meaningful breakout in any direction. But on the weekly chart, the situation develops in a way of the perfect double repo sell pattern, which is very important. Let's take a look what has happened. This upward rally, grabbers both have been completed perfectly with market challenged the top. Market has formed the wash and rinse of the previous top, grabbing the stops above it and collapsed. It might be the first sign that the bulls has failed to push price through the top, and that might be the capitulation of the bulls. For a final confirmation of this pattern, as you know from the Judd Napoli point of view, we need to get the close price below the moving average, 3x3 moving average. This is simple 3-period moving average displaced forward for the 3 periods as well. It's called as a 3x3. So when we will get it, the pattern will be confirmed. The minimum target of this reversal pattern will be 81 area. This is 50% support of the whole thrust. But this is minimum target. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't keep going higher, keep going lower. So that's why I think that the weekly chart is very important. And right on top, we have here kind of the shooting star pattern itself. So it might be used if you trade on lower time frames, for example. You also could just use it for some short-term bearish positions. So no problems against this top. On the daily chart, our plan is working nice. So we said that market has big chances to reverse right from there. By the many reasons. This is overbought area, the targets that we have specified. So it has happened. So market indeed is turning down. On the 4-hour time frame chart right here, you could see that it's forming something like diamond consolidation. It's very rare on the markets. But right now on Bitcoin 4 time frame chart, we could identify something like this. So potentially this is reversal combination. And well, in the current combination of the factors, obviously we do not consider any new longs. But depending on the time frame where you're trading at, and if you consider short positions, you could, if you trade on the weekly, you probably could stay focused on double repo pattern, get the confirmation, or you could try to stick with the shooting star directly using this most recent downside action, trying to position some pullback, although you can see the major pullback has happened recently already. Or on intraday charts, you could try to find something else, for example this diamond, or maybe later also will be formed something with a taking position against the top. This is also possible. So as a bottom line, let's consider and keep watching on the weekly pattern, because this is primary and most bright pattern that right now we have on Bitcoin with a really great potential. So if it will work, it will be really great. So on other markets, we'll take a look on the 10-year bonds, for example. On dollar, you could see everywhere starts some pullback, some retracement. So yields are rising, dollar are rising as well. So the background for possible deep action on the Bitcoin is also prepared. So just let's watch and see what will happen.